Up for sale is a 2015 Bentley Flying Spur. It's a W12 engine with around 40,000 miles. As you can see, the car looks great. Runs and drives great. We're going to do a test drive video right now as well. So feel free to call or email with any questions. But this car is beautiful. As you can see, the brown exterior with the light brown beige interior. This is what the interior looks like. Car starts up with no check engine lights, no emergency lights. It has a backup camera as well. Let's take this car for a spin. Drives great, shifts perfectly, and definitely a lot of power with a W12 engine. It's quite fast as well. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, feel free to call or email. It's a beautiful car, runs and drives great. So feel free to give us a call if you are interested, or email us. Thank you. Bye-bye.